Coming up in this video, I've got a tasty Paloma twist using your favourite tequila. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks. Right, let's crack straight on. It doesn't really matter what tequila you use for these cocktails. This is just pretty much a go-to one in the UK pubs and bars and people at home. Get it in most supermarkets. So I'm going Jose Cuervo Especial. So let's crack on. This cocktail, it's going to be a highball cocktail. It's kind of a Paloma twist. I'm just going to shake part of it. So the first ingredients we want are 50 ml of your tequila. So 50 ml double bubble in there. The next ingredient we want is some lime juice. Now as we're going, normally I've pre-squeezed, but as we're going for sort of tequila Mexican drinks, it's only fair we get our Mexican elbow out. So I want about 15 ml of lime juice. I'm just going to whip the end off, pop it in there. It's very important when you use these, the citrus presses, Mexican elbows, that the bit you've cut, that bit, the middle of that goes face down. If it goes the other way up in your Mexican elbow, you are going to get lime juice in your eye, and that freaking hurts, I promise you. So you want about 15 ml, all right? So depending how juicy your limes are, it'll either be half a lime. I just want a bit more. This could be quite close to a whole lime. These are quite small. There we go, perfect. Perfect, perfect. You can save those for garnishes later if you want. So I've got 15 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then the final ingredient before the shake, I'm just going for some agave nectar. This, again, most supermarkets will have this. There's two different versions out there. This is the light and amber one. I just want 10 ml of agave. All right, put that in there. Now I'm just going to ice this up and give it a quick shake. Now, as always, I haven't named these cocktails up, so what I want you guys to do is come up with your own suggestions in the comments below. And also, while you're at it, if you like these videos, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my future content. So, give it a good shake, 10 to 12 seconds. Right, when you're ready, that's nice and chilled down. The final ingredient, now Paloma is kind of like a grapefruit soda, things like that. Ting would be a good one with some ting. There we go. Ting would be a traditional kind of serve for this. But I found something about a month ago in my local shops that sells it. This is Levi Roots Caribbean Crush, grapefruit, mango and pineapple. So it's kind of like a lilt with a hint of mango. It's absolutely delicious. Now I'm just going to pour this into there to save stirring it once it's gone into our finished highball. So I'm going to go about 100 ml. 50, 100. There we go. Lovely jubbly. Now we just want to single strain this into our highball glass. There we go. Perfect. And then just to finish this off, garnish, I've got one pre-cut, nice chunk of grapefruit. Just gonna pop that into one side. There we go, lovely. And then just serve it up with a straw. What's it taste like? Really lovely, amazing little twist on a Paloma. If you want to see more tequila cocktails, there'll be a playlist popping up on the screen and right back at the end of this video. Big shout out to my Patreons as always. Thank you very much. A couple of new faces in there this time. As always, make sure you like and subscribe. Check out my other playlists and other tequila cocktails that will pop up on screen. I'll see you soon.